This is Casey here with Eclipse Marine Group at Clemson Marina. I'm tucked away here in a cove on our very last 2020 19 TrX Patriot by Triton boats. Want to highlight some of its features and tell you about some of the great deals, great discounts we have now that we're outside of the current model year. The no haggle, no hassle pricing on these Tritons is no more. We have discounted this an additional $1,000 to get this really sharp 19 TrX Patriot edition moved. Up here at the bow of the 19 TrX Patriot, you'll see a lot of tournament ready options. Things like the Minn-Kota 112 Ultrex, that's a 36 volt trolling motor. The Lowrance HDS 9 Live, recessed trolling motor foot pedal, switches here for tilt and trim, courtesy lights, and navigation anchor lights. You also get nice amenities such as a tool holder, cup holder. You get a hydraulic bicycle seat as standard. You also get the retractable rod buckles as standard, gas assisted locking, rod lockers, both port and starboard. This particular boat does have the rod tubes, has 12 rod tubes in there. Huge tackle storage, all gas assisted shocks with rod tubes in there as well. Also some cup holders and a 12 volt outlet down in there as well. Cooler, fishing ruler with tool holder, another cup holder, little passenger side convenience station right here. Put the wallet, cell phones, etc. Retractable rod buckle here on the port side of the boat. Now the Patriot series does come with a Bluetooth stereo in it as well. Sitting behind the console, you're going to see, some features that you see in much higher end boats. Things like the flush mounted button pads here, all digital buttons, no switches, no toggles. The boat comes standard with timers, both automatic and manual for the live well system. Does have a pump out system and recirculation pump. Interior storage lights in the boxes, and also you have some cockpit lights, and then some dedicated accessory switch, dedicated power button. The Patriot package does come with one power pole, so your remote control for the power pole's over here. Tilt and trim on the blinker here, as well as the hot foot down there also. Each of these bucket seats are adjustable, both driver and passenger, and then gel filled as well for comfort. Next to the driver, you have a convenience station, as well as cup holders, small storage compartment, nice little C-deck accent there with some storage in between the passenger and driver. On the rear casting deck here, you do have two live wells, both port and starboard. Those do have the pump out feature. They also have timers and recirculation pumps. And then back here, some lockable tackle storage. Comes standard with the Plano, the 3700 series Plano tackle boxes included, both sides. And then a lockable maintenance hatch back here with some quick access tackle trays. This is going to house all your main house cranking battery, trolling motor batteries, as well as your 4-bank battery charger, and then the hydraulic system for the power pole as well. So if you're having trouble seeing some of the value here in this 2020 Triton 19 TrX Patriot Edition with the Elite package, I'd invite you to come out, see this thing in person. Let me take you for a spin around the lake and see if we can make you a great deal. Thank you.